Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a general dentist here at Truly Dental in Dún Laoghaire. Invisalign is a treatment that has really revolutionised what we as dentists can do to help our patients reach those smiles that they've always wanted. Invisalign is a series of clear, removable aligners designed to gradually and safely straighten your teeth without brackets or wires of traditional braces. The whole process is straightforward but very powerful. During your first Invisalign consultation, we use technology that scans your teeth as they are today, and we create a unique treatment plan that maps out the exact movements and pushing pressure needed to gradually align your teeth. This map is what's used to produce your series of individual aligners, which apply the correct force at just the right time based on your alignment plan to comfortably straighten your teeth. Invisalign treatment is hugely effective for correcting mild to moderate misalignment in a patient's teeth, and the technology has really come a long way. We've used it successfully in even more complex cases involving overly crowded or widely spaced teeth, or to correct issues with a patient's bite. Invisalign is one of those treatments that you always hear about dentists getting. It's such a game changer for people, especially if you're really busy or in a professional environment, maybe where traditional braces would look a little bit out of place. We offer different levels of Invisalign treatment here across our practitioners, from Invisalign Go or Invisalign Lite, which are suitable to correct more minor crowding or misalignment. That typically requires about 14 aligners, and those kind of cases can often be completed in as little as 4 to 6 months. Up to Invisalign Full, which really can produce the kind of corrective movement that a fixed brace can, but over a far shorter time span. With that, the total number of aligners can vary the most, depending on the severity of the case. But the average you'd be looking at would be roughly 20 to 25 aligners over the course of 10 months up to a year and a half. That's compared to often 2 to 3 years of treatment with a regular brace for the same issue. At Truly Dental, we offer a comprehensive initial consult with one of our cosmetic specialists to discuss your goals for treatment and to carry out a full check to assess if Invisalign is the right option for you. In the majority of cases, we find that patients who are suitable for conventional braces are also suitable for Invisalign. It's really only in advanced cases of gum disease or overall oral ill health that we would advise addressing those concerns as the pressing priority. We have a range of financial options that we are happy to talk through with you at all times to make sure that this treatment fits in with your life and your plans.